How to apply for student finance in West Bengal. Step-by-step guide for students. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for student finance in West Bengal. Step 1. Visit the official portal. Go to the official website for West Bengal Student Credit Card Scheme, wbscc.wb.gov.in. This is where you will find all the information and resources you need. Step 2. Register on the portal. Click on the student login option. Select student registration and fill in your details such as name, date of birth, email ID, mobile number, etc. You'll receive an OTP on your registered mobile number and email for verification. Once verified, you'll be assigned a unique registration ID and password. Step 3. Log into the portal. Use the credentials received to log into the portal. Go to the Apply Now section, where you will find the student credit card application form. Step 4. Fill in the application form. Fill in personal details, academic information, and family income details. Enter your course details such as institution name, course duration, and fee structure. Ensure all the details you enter are accurate. Step 5. Upload required documents. You'll need to upload scanned copies of the following documents: identity proof, Aadhaar card, voter ID, etc., address proof, academic qualification certificates, family income certificate, admission letter from college or institution, present passport size photograph, bank account details, co-borrowers details for parents or guardians. And before we proceed, in order for your application to be sent directly to the President, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step 6. Submit the application. Review all the information before submitting. Once submitted, a reference number will be generated. Keep this number for future reference. Step 7. Verification and approval. Your application will be verified by the authorities and the educational institution. If everything is in order, you'll receive a notification regarding the approval status via email or SMS. Step 8. Disbursement of loan. Once approved, the amount will be credited to the designated bank account and you will be notified. And there you have it, future change makers. With just a few steps, you are one step closer to unlocking your dreams and building the future you deserve. Remember, education is the most powerful tool we can use to shape the world around us. Your journey is just beginning, and every challenge you face is another step toward greatness. Believe in yourself, because magic happens when you decide to take the first step. As the saying goes, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little inspiration today. Together, we can build a world full of possibilities. Stay magical, stay motivated.